Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissayt, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my garlic parmesan bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. So let's cook. So I have about a pound of Brussels sprouts here, and what you want to do is go ahead and clean them up by like cutting the ends off like this. And any dark leaves that you see on your Brussels sprouts you want to pull off. So I'm going to set that to the side. You see the leaves that looks like this, you want to go ahead and peel that leaf off until it looks nice like that. So I'm going to continue to clean up my Brussels sprouts, and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm all finished. Now that I've cleaned all my Brussels sprouts up, now we can get started. So here I have a 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And to this I'm going to add about 5 garlic cloves that I've diced up. And you're just gonna mix that in with your cheese. Here I have a pack of center cut bacon that I just cut in half like this. I'm just gonna set that off to the side as well. So you first want to start by getting a piece of bacon like this. And you're gonna take some of that Parmesan cheese and garlic, and you're just gonna put a light coating of cheese on your bacon like that. Then you're gonna take your Brussels sprouts like this. And you're gonna roll them up just like that. And you're gonna just set this off to the side. I'm just gonna show you guys one more. So you just wanna take that Parmesan cheese and garlic, put a light layer on your bacon like this. Then you're gonna take your Brussels sprout and you're gonna roll it up just like this. And when you put it on your pan, you want to make sure you have the folded side down. I'm just going to continue to wrap up my Brussels sprouts, and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm all finished. Okay, so now I'm finished wrapping all my Brussels sprouts. So what you want to do is put this in the oven on 400 degrees until your bacon is fully cooked. Okay, so my Brussels sprouts are all finished cooking, and they stayed in the oven for around 40 minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Okay guys, so here are our Brussels sprouts all plated up. And I'm just gonna take a bite out of one. And you can see that they're cooked throughout. These are so good. You can really taste that Parmesan cheese on the inside and that garlic. It's really good, guys. If you want, you can just take some Parmesan cheese and just sprinkle it on top like this as a garnish so it'll melt on top. And that's it, guys. That's how you make garlic Parmesan bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.